God damn. Hello. Fucking Lord! I said Lord! This place is...
You want to air the shit out of this?
Yeah! Hey, was I getting some decent air off that jump right there, or?
Nick was beating you. This is Nick. Cool shot though, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's still some good air.
Yeah. That's a cool shot though, huh? I got a little bit
That was mad fun! That was mad fun! So I rest my arm. Nice jump! I was in the wrong gear going up. Maybe a gear lower.
Gotta hit it more towards the center.
Hit it towards the center. Okie dokie. Yeah! Oh my god, dude!
Way better, huh?
Way better. Andrew, there's an insane hill climb back there.
Back there?
Yeah. Nick just showed it to me. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm still trying to figure out this fucking sand thing. I'm just so not used to sand. Sliding all fucking around.
Eric, you got it. Eric! Dude, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't know.
Get it out of there. Hold on, let me. That was an easy fix.
I thought I was just gonna take traction at one point or another.
Look what he buried it so deep, dude.
Oh, I see it. I know.
Oh my! All right, I'm gonna support the front wheel.
It's right out.
Oh my god! Watch out for that on your way up.
I'll spill it. Probably easier.
Jesus Christ!
Oh. Watch out.
Let's try.
Watch out.
Thanks, Nick.
Ow! Okay.
You almost had it though. You were right there. You got it for me, Nick?
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Appreciate it.
Ah, I'm fucking running uphill sucks.
Oh my god. Eric, I definitely got you fall. See, Eric, you're giving me a high five for the effort. Come on, for the. Oh, that was my nuts. Okay, now a high five. And Smack gets one too because he's about to do it.
Yeah. No, Smed needs to stop riding. That's the only thing I'm doing.
Oh, why is everyone abusing me?